Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 4 of class 12 biology chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. Let's start. First question. Okazaki fragments during DNA replication. Options are A. Polymerize in 3 to 5 direction and form replication fork. B. Prove semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. C. Polymerize in 5 to 3 direction and explain 3 to 5 DNA replication. D. Cause transcription. The correct option is option number C, which is polymerize in 5 to 3 direction and explain 3 to 5 DNA replication. Next question. Question number 2. During replication of bacterial chromosome, DNA synthesis start from a replication origin site and A is facilitated by telomerase, B moves in one direction of the sites, C moves in bidirectional way, D RNA primers are involved. The correct option is option number C, which is moves in bidirectional way. Next question, question number 3. E. coli about to replicate was placed in a medium containing radioactive thymine in 5 minutes. Then it was made to replicate in a normal medium. Which of the following observations shall be correct? The options are A. Both the strands of DNA will be radioactive. B. One strand radioactive. C. Each strand half radioactive. D. None is radioactive. The correct option is option number B, which is one strand radioactive. Next question. Question number 4. Method of DNA replication in which two strands of DNA separates and synthesize new strands. A. Dispersive. B. Conservative. C. Semi-conservative. D. Non-conservative. The correct option is option number C, which is semi-conservative. Next question. Question number 5. A cup have 10 is to 5. A cup have 10 to the power 5 bacterial cells. Each bacterial cell divide in 30 minutes. What shall be the number of bacteria after 175 minutes? Options are 2 into 10 to the power 5, B 5 into 10 to the power 5, C 32 into 10 to the power 5, D 16 into 10 to the power 5. The correct option is option number C, which is 32 into 10 to the power 5. Next question. Question number 6. There are special protein that helps to open up DNA double helix in front of replication fork. These proteins are A. DNA ligase, B. DNA topoisomerase 1, C. DNA gyrase, D. DNA polymerase. The correct option is option number B, which is B. DNA topoisomerase 1. Next question. Question number 7. During DNA replication, the strands separated by A. DNA polymerase, B. Topoisomerase, C. Unwindase or helicase, D. Gyrase. The correct option is option number C, which is unwindase or helicase. Next question. Question number 8. DNA replication is A. Conservative and discontinuous, B. Semi-conservative and semi-discontinuous, C. Semi-conservative and discontinuous, D. Conservative. The correct option is option number B, which is semi-conservative and semi-discontinuous. Next question. Question number 9. What is the role of RNA polymerase III in the process of transcription in eukaryotes? A. Transcribe tRNA, 5S rRNA and snRNA. B. Transcribe precursors of mRNA. C. Transcribes only sRNAs. D. Transcribes rRNAs 28S, 118S and 5.8S. The correct option is option number A, which is transcribes tRNA, 5S RNA and snRNA. Next question. Question number 10. Identify the correct statement. A. R polymerase binds with Rho factor to terminate the process of transcription in bacteria. B. The coding strands in transcription unit is copied to an mRNA. C. Split gene arrangement is characteristics of prokaryotes. D. In capping methyl gynosin triphosphate is added to the 3 end of hnRNA. The correct option is option number A, which is RNA polymerase binds with Rho factor to terminate the process of transcription in bacteria. Next question, question number 11. Which is the only enzyme that has capability to catalyze initiation, elongation and termination in the process of transcription in prokaryotes? A. DNA dependent RNA polymerase, B. DNA ligase, C. DNase, D. DNA dependent DNA polymerase. The correct option is option number A, which is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Next question, question number 12. Name the enzyme that facilitate opening of DNA helix to this transcription. A. DNA helicase, B. DNA polymerase, C. RNA polymerase, D. DNA ligase. The correct option is option number C, which is RNA polymerase. Next question, question number 13. AGGTAT CGCAT is a sequence from the coding of strand of a gene. What will be the corresponding sequence of the transcribed mRNA? Options are A. GGAUC GCAU, B. UGGTUT CGCAT, C. ACCUA UGCGAU, D. UCCAU A. GCGUA. The correct option is option number A, which is AGGUAUCGCAU. Next question, question number 14. Spy lysosomes are found in the cells of A. Plants, B. Fungi, C. Animals, D. Bacteria. The correct option is option number D, which is bacteria. Next question, question number 15. Which of the following rRNAs should be the most abundant in animal cells? A. rRNA, B. tRNA, C. mRNA, D. miRNA. The correct option is option number A, which is rRNA. Next question, question number 16. DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes transcription on one strand of the DNA, which is called the A. alpha strand, B. anti strand, C. template strand, D. coding strand. The correct option is option number C, which is template strand. Next question, question number 17. Which one of the following is not a part of transcription unit in DNA? Options are A. structural genes, B. the inducer, C. a terminator, D. a promoter. The correct option is option number B, which is the inducer. Next question, question number 18. Which one of the following also act as a catalyst in a bacterial cell? A. 23S rRNA, B. 5S rRNA, C. snRNA, D. hnRNA. The correct option is option number A, which is 23S rRNA. Next question, question number 19. In eukaryotic cell, transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes one place inside A. nucleus, B. ribosomes, C. D. dictosomes. The correct option is option number A, which is nucleus. Next question, question number 20. Removal of introns and joining the exons in a defined order in a transcription unit is A. splicing, B. capping, C. tailing, D. transformation. The correct option is option number A, which is splicing. So thank you for watching the video till end. Subscribe our channel. Next part of this chapter will be uploaded soon. So subscribe our channel.